Hey guys, Aaron Cochran here by Tennessee Dirt. If you are new to the team, welcome. If you are been on a team for a little while and you're looking for a little refresher, welcome back. I wanted to go over our website. It is an amazing tool and a resource to you. We work really hard on it and we are constantly updating it. As of right now, we currently manage it ourselves, so we have the ability to edit and update things in real time. So if you have feedback or contributions you'd like to put in, please speak up. We're always looking for new tools and better ways of doing things. So um, we are at buytennesseedirt.com, which is our website. And as we scroll down here, you'll see a list of a whole bunch of homes that we've sold. These will automatically cycle through and they will just kind of show off some of the stuff that we've done. We have a virtual assistant on here. You can ask this thing almost anything, especially anything real estate related. If you want to go in here and ask what Rachel Pitts' phone number is, or what makes the By Tennessee Dirt team different, or what are some best practices for searching homes, you can type that all in here and it will share everything with you. We have all your information plugged into here as an agent for being a part of our team, and it won't ask any personal questions, only stuff that we allow it to. So we've got it instructed not to share personal information, but your phone number, email, all that stuff is available. Um, this is a live stream to our live feed to our Google reviews. So these will, every time we get a Google review for the team, it will pop up in here. We'll make sure that you guys have those links so that we can keep building out our reviews, because remember, we are greater than ourselves. So keep pushing towards greatness as a team, and nobody can compete with us. So you can make your earnest money deposit on here. So if you send your clients to the website, you'll give them some little warm and fuzzies. Hey, make your earnest money deposit. I don't know if it will pull it up in this frame. No, it won't. It'll try to open it in a different window. But this will take you to Bell and Alexander's website, to the Ernst application, and they can put their information in there. You'll need to make sure to give them, make sure that they understand that you are their agent. So Aaron Cochran would be the agent, and I would give them my email address, and they would put the property address in and all that stuff and pay their earnest money. So, and then meet your Middle Tennessee real estate team. These are all links down here to your own personal biography pages. So if we click, for example, Amber Smith, it'll pull up Amber Smith's personal biography page. You guys have the ability to update this at any point in time. If you feel that there's some context that you guys would like us to add to your personal page, let us know. And then you have the ability to send a message through here. So anytime on any of these pages, all of these buttons are specific to you guys and your page, and it will send a direct message to your inbox, to your email that you have on file with us. So back to our home screen. We'll scroll down past our agents. This talks about the counteroffer. The counteroffer is an up and coming podcast that Rachel and I are working on, and which should be launching in the fall of 2024. We're in the process of ironing all that out. We can post featured properties through this link here. This link will take us to a featured property page that will outline some of our listings and things like that we have coming or currently on market. Talks about our preferred vendor relationship with our lending partner, Brian Johnson at Premise Mortgage. He is a huge support to us and our team. So make sure that he is touching your deals. He will get you to the finish line. Talks about our love for first-time home buyers and how we really value taking care of the underdog, I guess you could say. Nobody's rolling equity and things like that. So they're starting from scratch and having to come up with ways. So realize having a good lender with good lending options will help our first-time home buyers and help them get into their homes. Talks a little bit about how we got into real estate and all that type of stuff. We've got links throughout our website. So like this one here is search lake homes for sale in Tennessee. If we click this, it will take us to a page that will um, just show lake homes. We can custom build those pages for anything that you think of. So let's say that you only want to show, you want to just show off and have a link that you can share that only shows homes available in the Blackman School District in Murfreesboro. I can create that for you, and it'll be branded to our team, and it'll look like they're just on our website, but it's actually through our IDX broker website, which is built into this, allows us to integrate with RealTracs, our Middle Tennessee Association of Realtors. Um, so you can get a full partners list. Any referral you ever need, you'll see that in another video talking about our resources option at the top of the page here, but this will also take you to that as well. Just like we said earlier, you can specify what you want. These are just some of our popular areas. Do you want to search homes in Rutherford County, Bedford County, Franklin County? Do we just want to search lake homes? It'll take you to those specific pages. As we've talked about before, everything is a concierge white glove service with Buy Tennessee Dirt. So we do a lot of hand holding. We answer all the questions. We are available when we can be, but we're also mindful of boundaries, and we want to make sure that your home life and your family life is nurtured and taken care of just as well as the clients are. So realize we're greater than ourselves. We keep preaching that to you guys. But if for some reason you can't make something happen and a client needs something, reach out to one of us. I'm sure we can help. Currently still looking for somebody that might want to step up and continue our blog post writing. We've got a ton of blog posts in here, talks about everything and anything and everything in Tennessee, from real estate to events to exploring weather in Middle Tennessee. As you know, changes every second of the day. Some helpful downloads in here, checklists and how to interview a realtor and what your wants and needs are list. And then again, a bunch of those links to different places that you can search for different homes, Murfreesboro, Spring Hill, Southern Middle Lake homes, all that type of stuff as well. So we'll get over to the About page. If you don't know the team leads that you're working for, click on the About page and go down to meet the Cochran family. Meet us in our little hobby farm homestead that we have here in Estill Springs. We love what we do, and our mission is to provide service that clearly expresses our core values and traditional business practices or ethics, to be of service to others that both our family and our community can be proud of. So get in here, learn a little bit about our story. This is ever changing. As you know, our story and your story are always changing. And find out what's important to us: family, God, farming, community, and maybe a little bit of Tennessee whiskey now and again. Not always in that order. See pictures of our current life and our journey, and moving to Tennessee and working on our farm, and gives you a little insight. The one thing that nobody else in this world can sell and nobody else in this world can represent is you and your family. So we take a lot of pride in who we are, and when we work with clients, those clients are buying into not just me, but they're buying into Cassandra, and they're buying into our girls and our farm and everything and our team. So we're proud to have you as part of it. And again, back to some of our reviews down here at the bottom. All of our social media links, if you ever want to go to any of those, including our YouTube channel that we're actively trying to build out as well, that you are most likely watching this video tutorial on. You will go down here to be informed. We want to make sure that clients understand what facts are. They can always talk to an agent, but if they want to read the encyclopedia or the dictionary of every term, we didn't get that far. We actually just went down and we stopped at, we didn't even finish C's. We got to like mid C's in the real estate dictionary. And but this will give some people some insight on what it's like to purchase or sell a home, and why they should hire a professional. Talks about beyond the sale, things that we like to do, local events, how to support your community, Middle Tennessee facts and tips and all those types of things. Some places you guys can get other resources, just as you can through our resource tab, homeowner insurance, mortgage lenders, credit repair and counseling. And again, we appreciate everyone. And if they would like to leave us a review, please give us a review. Contact information and join our team. You guys have probably been to this website here and been to join our team and learned a little bit and everything about our team. So please feel free and refer other agents. We would love to interview them and talk about what makes our team tick. And hopefully we can continue to grow. Find a home, sell a home, similar tabs. They, of course, speak for themselves. How to make an offer, talk with an agent, buyer's questionnaires, all these different types of things. What's my home worth? It'll have them fill out some information and they'll send it to us so we can do a CMA and let them know what their home is worth. Setting expectations, what it's like to sell a home sale checklist. Why us, the consultation, preliminary inspections, all that to home repairs, cleaning, marketing, contracts, inspection management, move out, all these different types of things that it's going to help people sell their home, what's to expect, setting a price, all that type of stuff. So there's a ton of resources in here. Use it. This is all branded to the team. That's why you're here. So, and then we're working on our local events. We're a little bit behind right now, but, it talks about different things that are coming up in the area. So if we have somebody that wants to champion being familiar with stuff that's happening in Middle Tennessee, and they can get us a list so that we can get in here, we can get them login information so that they can update this. That would be excellent. Like it said, it takes an army to make this all work. So we went through resources. It's in a whole different video. So please feel free and watch that video as well. But people are able to come on here and they were able to search homes. So they can go to advanced home searches, which it won't open in the correct tab. It opens it in another tab. Home buying expectations, which they can search for homes, at the top of this type of stuff. We're in the process of putting together a home buying guide, which you'll see listed there, home buying checklist, and then everything in here, preparation to buying a home, what a home search is like, offer an escrow, move in, all that type of stuff. Everything in this industry is setting expectations. So make sure that you set those expectations, or at least direct them where they can have those expectations set for them. So other than that, that's our website for right now. There's other stuff in here. There's other tips and tricks and a lot of these tabs that I can't open on this screen share because it opens it in another tab for me. But I hope you guys have enjoyed it. I hope you feel that we are providing resources to you. We're constantly trying to add more. And I've said it probably 3 times in this video, but we are greater than ourselves. So please, please, please use the team around you to create the best experience possible. And let's get those amazing team reviews. Hope you guys have a great week. Happy selling.